Hey guys, it's Brittany and I'm back with another plan with me today. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. If you're a returner, then what's up? Today we're going to be doing a plan with me for June the 24th through June 30th. It is so hard to believe that June is coming to a close next week. I cannot believe it. We are halfway through the year. But in this plan with me today, I have pulled out color storybook, and I think I'm gonna focus on this section in here, this mermaid section. I really was saving it, and I'm thinking I'm ready to use it now. So I'm gonna pull from that. I also have this super cute purple glitter washi that I think I'm going to lay down the sides of my pages. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and if you wanna see what I create, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so I ended up laying down this washi right here. Let me tell y'all, that was hard, okay? Because I don't have a punch, and then I forgot that I needed to white out the greenery that was there, so I had to lay it down. Then I went back and whited it out, and then on this one I started cutting. I cut it all weird, and then on this one I forgot to white it out, and I had already cut it, so I went back and whited it out. Now it's all crooked, but whatever. We're gonna keep rolling with it and make it do what it do, okay? I'm just gonna go ahead and start pulling some of these stickers and putting some things down. Last week I started cutting some of these decorative stickers in half and in different boxes and stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna do that again. I'm just gonna use this as my guide for cutting. So I am going to lay this. So cute, it's just like a mermaid. So I'm gonna lay this down right here on Monday. Maybe I'll just put a checklist right over here. So I'm gonna grab this little checklist right here and put that on Monday. Take this one right here, and I'm gonna cut it again just so I can get 3 stickers out of it. Right. Like I was saying, I'm being careful with my X-Acto knife because I did cut myself a couple videos ago. My finger is feeling much better. Oh man, y'all, I cut the book. Jeez whiz. Alright, so let's try that again one last time. Alright, I think we cut the paper this time. But like I was saying, I did cut my finger a while ago, and that hurt pretty darsh gone bad, okay? And it just hurt so bad. I'm gonna decide where I want these. I might just save. Let's just wait. Just gonna wait on those. I'm gonna use them, but just not yet. I like this Walking on Sunshine. Cute. I'm gonna add this one over here. That's so cute. It says Shell Yeah Weekend. So let's take that sticker. This is really cute. It says, the only limits in life are the ones you make. So I'm gonna add that right over here. Colorful boxes. And should I do a blue box? Because I can bring in some of the blues. So I'm gonna grab this blue box here. Maybe kind of put that. Yes, I like that. So I'm gonna put that right there, and I'm just gonna grab this blue box so I can notate some things right there. And I'm gonna get a purple box as well, so therefore we can notate some other things. So I'm gonna kind of put that one, angle that one more towards this side. We need definitely some type of checklist or some boxes over here. These are really cute. Could add like 3 of those or 2 of those over there. I'm gonna take this remember sticker right here. See, let's go back to our colorful boxes, bring back in some more of that blue. So, oh no, I have a blue sticker, so maybe we could put it on a purple sticker. Take this, kind of put it off to the side right here as best as we can. So we got that, and then we're just gonna drop the remember down a little bit right there. And I think we could do, I was thinking about doing these little boxes. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna stick with the boxes, the small boxes. Friday, use this, maybe, let's do it down here. I love that. I'm gonna take this one up and put down the actual blue. We need something right over here. We could do 3 mermaid things. All right, we could do this and layer it over top of. So I'm going to use this one and go back into this book here and kind of layer that box underneath it, behind it. So we're going to have this kind of over to the side here, and then just put that right there. Sidebar, I think I want to put this big box down, and then there's a quote back there that I think I'm just going to include right over top of that. Like that. Everything looks good so far. So it's a little plain over here. I really like this refuse to sink sticker, so I'm gonna take that up and maybe just add it right over here. We do not have a lot of these little decor pieces, which I wish there was more, but they're not. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna have to cut them to kind of stretch it as far as I can. And I don't think I have a book with any more of these like coral pieces in there. Let's take this box here and maybe just add as free as the sea. Let's do the as free as the sea. I'm not sure if I want this blue or the other blue. Let's just go with both. So I'm gonna put this blue one back over here. So guys, I think I'm gonna call it quits right here. I love how this mermaid theme turned out. I still feel like this area is a little bit blank right here, but it's okay, Brittany, to have some white space on your spread. but overall it was good. The part that gave me the most trouble was laying down this side washi. I'm glad I did it, but throughout the process I learned a more efficient and effective way to do it next time, so that's what I'll do. Again, this is my spread for June the 24th through June 30th. Like I always tell you guys, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Also comment and like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.